Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'll show you how to change the squeeze actions on the Apple Pencil Pro. So if you want to change the actions of the squeeze while you're drawing, for example, on the Apple Pencil, what you want to do is open up settings and then go to Apple Pencil. Make sure that your Apple Pencil is connected to the iPad first, and then select under actions, select squeeze. So click right here. And here you have all of the options that you can change the squeeze to. So the squeeze action for me is set to switch between current tool and eraser. But you can select, for example, show tool palette, switch between current tool last used, and all of these other settings. And that's about it. Once you're done with that, you can head back to notes or wherever you're drawing and check if that has changed. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.